morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Good. So today we are going to read chapter number 10 of articles. Okay, of grammar, that is articles. So today we are going to learn about articles. Okay, first of all we will see what are articles, then we will go for the further. All of you, are you ready to watch now? All of you? So come on. You might be thinking that why madam has written ABCD. Yes? See, in total we are having 26 alphabets. Okay, in total we are having 26 alphabets. From these 26 alphabets, we are having 5 alphabets as vowels. Okay, so what are they? A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 alphabets which comes under vowels. And rest, all the 21 alphabets which are left, okay, they are called as consonant, and these are called as vowels. Okay, in 21 alphabets, 5 alphabets are there, they are vowels, and rest 21 alphabets are there, they are called as consonants. Okay, first of all we should understand what is vowel and what is consonant. Then only we can go for the articles. Is it clear to you people that we are having 5 vowels, that they are A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 vowels. And rest alphabets which all are there, they are called as consonants. If you will see, can you spell these words? Can you spell these words? No, because the word doesn't have any meaning. But if I will put an oval, a vowel, then we can spell it. We can spell the word net, apple. Okay, so from here we came to know that in each and every word, they may use 1 or 2 or more than 2 vowels are used. In each and every word, without vowel, a word cannot be formed. Okay, so these are the vowels which we add in the, see, as you people are learning in Hindi also. Hindi में मात्राएं हैं आप लोग के, मात्रा आ, ई, ऊ, यही मात्राएं हैं हम लोगों के, ये vowels. Okay, in English we have only 5 vowels. Okay, and these vowels helps the word to complete. Okay, is it clear? Now we will come to an article. In articles we have 2 different types of articles. Okay, how many types of articles? 2 different types of articles. As we are learning about articles, articles are divided into 2. Okay, it is definite and indefinite. Okay, it is divided into 2, definite and indefinite. So when we are talking about definite articles, indefinite articles, there comes the. Okay, and in indefinite articles we are having a and an. Okay, we are having a and an in indefinite articles and the for definite articles. Okay, so these are the two different types of articles, definite and indefinite articles. And in definite articles the word the comes, and in indefinite articles the word a and an comes. Okay, so as we came to know that in articles we are having only three different words, that are a, an and the. Okay, a, an and the. Now we will read where we will use a, an and the. Okay, the uses of definite and indefinite article. So can we start now? So come on. So as we are going to learn first about a definite and indefinite article. So whenever we speak about a noun, so you people, before that we have learned about noun. So what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Yes, it is the name of a person, place, animal, thing. So when we talk about a noun, okay, before every noun, a article will come. Before every noun. If I will give you an example of saying net, apple. So we say, so you have understood. If I will say net, or if I will say apple. Okay, if I will say a net or apple, we will say a net, or we will say an apple. Okay, why? If a word begins with a vowel, okay, if a word begins with a vowel, or when you pronounce a word, okay, if you will pronounce a word, and if the word starts with a vowel, okay, if a word starts with vowel, then we use a word and before that. Okay, we use and before a noun. But if a word that starts with any of the consonant, or when you speak a word the consonant is coming, then in that case you people will use a word a. Okay, you will use a word a. Is it clear? Like if you, there are some words like U, Y, O or W. Okay, there are some words like U, Y, O, W. If in these words, if the words are started, okay, then make it sure you should pronounce the word properly. Okay, after the pronunciation only you will add an article. Okay, you will add an article. And exactly same like that only, if I will say some words like, if I will say, university. The word is starting with vowel. Okay, the word is starting with vowel. But when you pronounce it, it will not come as U. It will come as university. It pronounces as Y. Okay, that's why in that case the vowel will be A. Okay, you will not see for the alphabet there. You will see for your pronunciation. At the same time, if I will say hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, here the word is starting with a consonant. Okay, the word is starting with consonant. But when you spell it, when you speak out, then it comes our. It's not hour, it's our. Okay, honored. So when we speak those words, when you spell it, you will see that it is not starting with a consonant. It is starting with a vowel. So in that case, we use and here. Okay, so this is all about the using of the consonant a and an. Okay, so a and an are indefinite articles. Remember this. And definite article is the. It always points to the specific or a definite person. If you are speaking about some particular person, place, animal or thing. Okay, at that time we use the word the. Okay, so when we are using the word the refers to the noun that has already been mentioned before. Okay, if you are having any paragraph, okay, many times what happens, there will be a paragraph. Okay, in the paragraph, for first line mein, you can use a or an. But the same thing or about the same person, place, again it is repeated for the second and third time, fourth time. Then in that case, we first use the word the. पहले अगर एक कोई सेंटेंस होगा, बहुत बड़ा पैराग्राफ होगा और फर्स्ट में वो वर्ड यूज हुआ है, तो वो उसको हम लोग कुछ भी लिखो, ए लिखो या एन लिखो, लेकिन वही कैट या डॉग जो भी पहले बात हुआ है उसके बारे में अगर बाद में उसी के बारे में बात हो रही है तो सेकंड और थर्ड जब भी उसके बाद आता है तो वहां पे हम लोग यूज करते हैं द. ओके, क्या हम लोग यूज करेंगे? द. सेकंड, वी यूज द टू रेफर टू ए नाउन दैट इज फैमिलियर टू अ पर्सन बीइंग एड्रेस्ड. अगर कोई भी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के ऊपर हम लोग फोकस करके बात कर रहे हैं या पर्टिकुलर थिंग के ऊपर हम लोग फोकस करके बात कर रहे हैं तो वहां पे भी हम लोग द यूज करते हैं. We also the with singular as well as plural nouns. We also use the with singular as well as the plural nouns. But a is used for singular. A pen, a chalk. ओके, हम लोग ए और एन सिंगुलर में यूज करते हैं, लेकिन द सिंगुलर में भी यूज हो सकता है, प्लूरल में भी यूज हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट, वी यूज द व्हेन ए नाउन प्रेजेंट द होल क्लास. फॉर द होल क्लास मीन्स टू say about everything present here is called as a noun. We can give there a noun. And if there is there are some unique things, जैसे सन हो गया, मून हो गया, अर्थ हो गया, ओके, ऐसे जो यूनिक थिंग्स उसके बारे में अगर आप बात करोगे तो भी आप लोग द लगाना. द मून, द सन, द अर्थ. ओके, and if you are talking about any particular holy books, holy books जानते हो जो हम लोगों के religious वाला जो books होते हैं, द गीता, द महाभारत, the Bible, the Quran. Okay, so when you are talking about the religious books also we are talking about particular, so there we use the. And we also use the for the famous buildings, trains, ships. Okay, we use for these also the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar. Okay, there also we use the. And the before class when we were doing about degree of comparison, in that also I have told you when you compare in the superlative degree, okay, superlative degree में जब जाते हो तभी भी हम लोग the use करते हैं. Okay, we don't use the, means everywhere we don't use with proper noun, but many times if you are talking about some particular things, or we are talking about we are addressing to something, or we are speaking about something and the unique one, and for these things maybe it's singular or plural, for these things we use the word the. We use the word the. So here is all about your this articles a and the. To make you people more clear about this, I want to show you a video. So come, let's check the video.
Look at these groups of letters. Do they make sense to you? Now do they make sense? That's because we have added vowels to the letters. The letters A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels in the English alphabet. Most words use at least one vowel. All the other letters of the English alphabet are called consonants. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Every noun begins with a consonant or a vowel. We bought a balloon. It was shaped like an apple. While making sentences, nouns are often specified by words like a or an. A is used before nouns that start with a consonant, and an is used before nouns that start with a vowel. A or an are used when the noun refers to something general, such as any balloon or any apple. Bang, the balloon burst. Here balloon refers to a specific balloon. When the noun describes the known thing, the is used to specify it. Vowels and consonants do not matter in this case. A, and the are called articles. Articles specify the nouns in the sentence. Let us learn more about the use of articles in sentences.
So here a and the are the articles which specifies in the sentence. Okay, before noun they are used and it tells more about means it specifies it. So here, so we will be learning about one by one. Okay.
Click each rule to learn more about it. I bought a mask and wore it. The noun mask starts with the consonant M and the consonant sound M. So the article A is used to specify mask. We saw a girl buying candy. The noun girl starts with the consonant sound G. So the article A is used with it. That dog was wearing a uniform. The noun uniform starts with the vowel U. But the sound of this letter is U, that is, the consonant sound U. So the article A is used to specify uniform. It looks like a uniform. Here again, the letter U has the consonant sound U, and so the article A is used to specify uniform. Here are some more sentences where A is used to specify nouns that begin with consonant sounds.
So see, these are the words you can see. A drop of water fell on me. A drop. Okay. It was a day to remember. A day. We spotted a parrot. Okay. So where there is consonant, when you pronounce it, if the word pronounces with a consonant, then before the consonant we use a word A.
Would you like an ice candy? The noun ice candy begins with the vowel I and the vowel sound I. So the article N is used to specify ice candy. We sat to eat under an umbrella. The noun umbrella starts with the vowel U and the vowel sound So N is used to specify umbrella. The noun R starts with the consonant H. But when R is spoken, the H is silent and the word starts with the vowel sound of ow. So the article N is used to specify R. It was an honor to meet this magician. Here again, the noun honor begins with the vowel sound of R. So, N is used to specify honor. Here are some more sentences where N is used to specify nouns that begin with vowel sounds.
So here are the vowels that are having an. Okay, the word before the noun they are used, and the word C. Here O is there, here E is there. We know that they are vowels. So before that we are using an. But here you see it is hair, air. Okay, so as the word is starting with H, but if you will pronounce it, it is coming so that's why we use the word and. Okay, that's why we use the word and. So always you should concentrate on the pronunciation.
Boy is blowing soap bubbles. The noun boy refers to any one boy in general and not a particular person. So the article A is used to specify it. I have an idea. This sentence talks about an idea in general and does not describe a particular idea. So the article N is used to specify idea. What a surprise to see an elephant! This sentence refers to a surprise in general and any one elephant. So the articles A and N are used to specify these nouns. Here are some more sentences where A and N are used with non-specific nouns.
So in a same sentence here is saying that here already it is a crop. So we have used a. Here and is there. We have used and. So we can in one sentence we can also use both the articles. Okay.
We were screaming on the ride. The noun ride refers to a specific ride on which they were screaming. So the article the is used to specify ride. We got back home in the evening. The noun evening refers to a specific evening. So the article the is used to specify it. The fair is a colorful, noisy place. In this sentence, the singular noun fair stands for all fairs in general. When a noun stands for many things like itself, the article the is used to specify it. The candy is a treat loved by all the children. The noun candy is singular, but stands for all candies in general. So the article the is used to specify candy. They sold postcards with images of the Taj Mahal. The noun Taj Mahal is the name of a famous building. So the article the is used to specify Taj Mahal. You need strong hands to play the drum. The noun drum is the name of an instrument. So the article the is used to specify drum. Here are some more sentences where the article the is used to specify the noun.
So here there are some sentences you see. We found the missing cat. Okay, as they were talking about the missing cat, there they have found that missing cat. So that's why they have written there the. And here the flute, they are talking about a particular musical instrument. So that's why they have written the. And in the last one you see the Ganga. They are talking about the river, particularly about one river. That's why they have written there the.
Let's take a quick look at what we've learned about articles. The noun crowd refers to any crowd, so the article A is used to specify it. The noun event refers to any possible event, so the article an is used to specify it. The noun crowd refers to the specific crowd Jia has seen, so the article the is used to specify crowd. The article a is used before nouns that begin with a consonant sound like were. The article an is used before nouns that begin with a vowel sound like a. The noun group in this sentence refers to all groups in general, so the article the is used to specify it. Alps is the name of a mountain, so the article the is used to specify it. Listen to the story and read along with it. At the end of the story, you will try and use the articles you just learned. Gia was at the fair with her family. She saw many things at the fair: a merry-go-round wheel, an ice cream seller, a tattoo artist, and an earring seller. Gia wanted to do everything at once, but her parents were walking slowly. Your little brother is scared of all the noise, her mother said. Babies are so irritating, Gia thought. Suddenly, Gia heard someone playing the drums. There was a set of real drums. People would play and play. She turned to ask her parents for money, but she couldn't see them anywhere. She raised her head like an ostrich and searched. The fair can be a lonely place, thought Gia. Just then, she heard a baby cry loudly. She ran towards the sound and saw her family. Gia gave her brother a hug. How sweetly he cried, she said.
So now you have heard the story. So
Now try and use the correct article to specify some nouns in the story you just read. Choose the correct article to complete the sentence.
Gia was at dash fair with her family. At what will be the correct answer?
The article the is used to indicate a specific fair.
Because here we are indicating for a specific one particular fair. Okay.
Choose the correct article to complete the sentence.
Your little brother is scared of all
The article the is used to indicate the specific noise in the fair.
the noise which is coming in the fair. Particularly they are talking about that noise. That's why we are using here the.
Choose the correct article to complete the sentence.
Suddenly, Gia heard someone playing the
The
drum.
article the is used to specify the name of a musical instrument.
It is used for particular instrument.
Choose the correct article to complete the sentence.
There was that set of real drums. People who could play and play. There were
The article
a set.
is used to indicate any one set of drums.
Okay, here any set of drum. Okay, and already it is written as set. We know that S is the consonant, so we have used here a.
Choose the correct article to complete the sentence.
She raised her head like that ostrich and searched.
The
Like
noun ostrich stands for any ostrich, so the article an is used to specify it. Choose the correct article to complete the sentence.
just then she heard dash baby cried loudly.
The noun baby stands for any baby, so the article a is used to specify it. Choose the correct article to complete the sentence.
She ran towards dash This is all about the articles. Okay, so articles, we have two different types of articles, that is definite and indefinite. And in indefinite article we have two a and an, and for definite article we have only the. So I hope you people have understood all about the articles, and I hope you people can do the exercise very easily. Okay, so complete your exercise, and if you are having any doubt, just put it in the discussion box. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.